Number 6. Heron. A hungry great blue heron decided to catch a snapping turtle for its meal. The turtle fell into the water many times, but the determined heron refused to give up. Finally, the heron succeeded in swallowing the turtle whole. In a different video, a great blue heron attempted to catch a long eel. Due to the eel's slippery nature, it proved to be quite challenging for the heron to catch it. Nevertheless, the heron persisted and continued to attack the eel until it became weaker. Finally, when the eel was helpless, the heron quickly swallowed it whole. In another video, a heron caught a cute squirrel. The squirrel tried very hard to free itself, but to no avail, and the heron quickly enjoyed its meal.
Please share.